Sony Xperia XZ. Here we have a power on off button, volume rockers and camera button. And here we have a secondary camera with laser sensors and RGBC sensor. This is a new features for this Samsung XZ. And here we have a charging port, and here we insert the SIM. This is a front camera. Here we have a logo and sensors. I just on this phone. This is a 5.2 inch display, and I just open the settings about this phone. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's okay. I just show you the keypad. You can see here. Open the settings again. I just adjust the brightness from here. You can see here. I'm just opening the settings. This is a 23 megapixel and 3 GB RAM, and battery backup is 2900 mAh. It's a full HD resolution 1080 into 1920. You may see here the model number and version, Android version 6.01, and the resolution and PPI pixel density is 424, and we have a multi-touch option up to 10 fingers and Gorilla Glass protection for the glass protection. This is about the phone. I just give you the specifications. I will give the specifications of this camera. We have more settings for this camera. For this phone, you can adjust the megapixel. 23 megapixel, 20 megapixel, and the secondary camera is 13 megapixel, and the processor is octa-core processor 2.1.5 gigahertz, and the Android version is 6.01. We can upgradable up to 7.0. They planned to update the phone, and the resolution is full HD resolution. The mobile weight is 161 grams. Dimension is 146 into 72 into 8.1 mm. This is a nice phone for the Sony. We can use the 4G SIM also. On nano SIM we can use this. You can use the mobile. It's a water resistant up to 1.5 meters. Only for 30 minutes.
May I help you?
And dust proof also.
Configuration.
This is a Sony Xperia XZ. It's a 5.2 inch display. Yeah. You can see this sensor, laser sensor AF.
అరే అన్నీ చూసుకున్నారా కరిబాబు లేదంటే పోన్లే సార్ నేను ఏం ఆగు
మీద పై తీసుకుంటా రైట్ ఈశ్వర్గా ఎత్తుతాం అనుకుంటున్నా గట్టిగా వాడు చాలా మేనేజ్ చేసుకుంటే
పబ్లిక్ టాక్ చెప్తున్నాను
షిఫ్ట్ అవుతాను వైశ్వర
రవి